As members of the OCTLA family, LS365 is proud to be a part of the ongoing mission to protect individuals' rights, access to the justice system, and the continued support of Orange County communities. Thank you, thank you, thank you for all you do. Have you ever searched for e-discovery vendors? Are you tired of getting different prices for the same project? Don't waste time and money. LS365 offers you e-discovery review tools and software, consultations, forensic collections, attorney document review, litigation hold, artificial intelligence, and analytics at the best price. Contact us today for a free consultation or to schedule an e-discovery demo.